Today, I'm going to show you how to use Picture-in-Picture in Chrome, a super handy feature that lets you watch videos in a floating window while you do other things. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to keep an eye on YouTube videos while checking emails, browsing, or working on other tasks, all without losing track of what you're watching. Let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser. You can do this on your computer. Any operating system should work, whether you're on Windows, Mac, or even Linux. Just make sure you're using Chrome, since Picture-in-Picture is a built-in feature here. Once your browser's up and ready, navigate over to youtube.com. You can type that right into the address bar, or click a bookmark if you have one ready. The main thing is that we want to be on YouTube, because this feature works best with videos on sites like this. Pick any video you'd like to test this out with. It really doesn't matter. You can choose the latest music video, a favorite tutorial, or even this one as you follow along. Hit play and let the video start. You'll see it begins inside the normal browser tab, just like usual. Now, the next step is a little different than what you might think. We're going to pause the video first. Just click the pause button. Why pause? Sometimes a paused video makes it easier to access the menu we need, and it ensures you won't miss anything as you try this for the first time. If you forget and the video is still playing, don't worry. You can always pause it at any time. No pressure. For the next part, we need to bring up a special menu on the video player itself. Here's how. Move your mouse over the video and right-click with your mouse. You'll notice that usually this brings up YouTube's own context menu, offering options like loop or copy video URL. But to get the Chrome-specific menu we need, you'll actually want to right-click a second time, right on top of the video. Think of it like peeling back layers. The first right-click pulls up YouTube's menu, and the second one asks Chrome to show its own options. After that second right-click, you should see a new option appear labeled Picture-in-Picture. Sometimes it says Picture-in-Picture or just PP, depending on your Chrome version, but it's always easy to spot. If you don't see it right away, try clicking again. Sometimes it takes an extra second or a bit of patience for the right menu to appear. It's normal, so don't get frustrated. Now comes the fun part. Click on Picture-in-Picture. Right when you select it, you'll see the video pop out into its own small window. It floats above all your other tabs and apps. This little window stays visible on your screen as you move between different programs, pages, or even if you open new Chrome tabs. It's like having your own mini TV on your desktop. You can drag it anywhere that's convenient, resize it a bit, and keep whatever you're watching in view while you multitask. Picture-in-Picture is perfect for keeping up with tutorials, live streams, or music videos when you're working or doing research. I often use it when I'm trying to follow a cooking demo in the kitchen, or keep an eye on a lecture while taking notes in another window. It's really one of Chrome's best hidden features. That's all there is to it. So next time you want to watch a video while working online, give Picture-in-Picture mode a try and see how much easier it makes juggling tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions about Picture-in-Picture, or if it's not working for you, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tech tips just like this. Thanks for watching.